What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to One Man Food Reviews. I'm back in the car today and I am on the hunt for some homemade, hand-pulled, fresh Chinese noodles. It's been several years since I've had some fresh hand-pulled noodles. When I was in college during undergrad, I was lucky enough to have the opportunity to travel to Chengdu in Sichuan province in China. I still speak a little bit of Mandarin. It was kind of interesting going to Sichuan province because nobody there really speaks Mandarin. They only speak Sichuanese or Sichuanhua. So I could speak to them and they understood me relatively well because Mandarin is the main state-sponsored language in China. But whenever I was speaking and trying to interact with other Sichuanese people, I had trouble. There were times when we even couldn't understand numbers. I had friends that held out their wallets and offered their money straight out of the wallet to vendors in Sichuan, just because we had trouble understanding them. We were giving them way too much money for fruit, for example. I'm excited to check out Noodle Man today for the first time. Normally when I drive out here, I'm going to Judy's Sichuan restaurant. Huge fan of Judy's. One day soon I will be making a video about Judy's also, but I have not made it over to Noodle Man yet. I understand they opened their first restaurant in 2018 over in Haygood Shopping Center, but this new location is a lot closer to my house. So that's the plan for today. I think I'm gonna go for the Mongolian beef and then possibly the jalapeno chicken stir-fried noodle platter. All right, so we made it here. Let's go check it out. I haven't even been inside this place yet, but I love the logo. At least with the mask on, you can't see upside my nose. All right, we made it. Nice breezy day. Not quite as hot as the day when I went to Philly cold cuts. See what it looks like. Pretty cool, man. I love that logo. So we have made it to Noodle Man, folks, and I cannot tell you how excited I am to be here. I have not seen this technique since I left China. Oh my goodness. And can I tell you, this place is decked out. This place looks fantastic inside. You can see inside the kitchen. This place is friggin' awesome, you guys. If you like hand-pulled Chinese noodles, this is a must-go-to in Chesapeake, Virginia. Look at that. Look at this. This is incredible. Oh yeah. And straight into the water. And that's how it's done, folks. Oh yeah. This is the shot. We got the food. We're good. They were so nice, you guys. If you have a chance, come to Noodle Man Chesapeake. Just really nice, awesome experience to come out here today. I can take my mask off now. Anyway, it's been a great, lovely, beautiful weather day here at Noodle Man. I'm gonna go home and eat this. We're home, I'm hungry, and I'm ready to eat. I wanna do the close-up of these. I didn't do a very good job of getting a close-up when I went to Philly cold cut, so I wanna do a better job today. This looks like the beef, and this looks like the chicken. Let me get on the right side of the camera here. Oh my goodness gracious, okay. So here we have what looks like our jalapeno style chicken. Delectable. And then this is the Mongolian beef. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at those peppers and onions. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna dig in. I'm not gonna be eating all of this in one sitting today. Hoping that's a good angle. All right, I'm not gonna be eating all of this in one sitting today, but I definitely wanna try it out. All right, I'm gonna start out with the chicken, I think. So we got the chicken on top with the peppers and the onions. Okay, let me grab some of these noodles out. The first time I went to China, I didn't know how to use chopsticks yet. And everybody kind of laughed at me. Because like, what the heck was I doing going to China if I didn't know how to use friggin' chopsticks? But, you know, I learned pretty darn quick because I was hungry. See if I can get some more noodles. All right, last stray noodle coming out. I'm gonna grab the chicken and I'm gonna grab some of the beef also. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. Still very hot. My chopstick went right through the beef, so I can tell it's really tender. See if the flavor on these noodles is very different at all. Whoa, almost lost some. Come on, noodles. Really sticking together now. if they've been in the to-go plate. Okay. All right. So here we have it. We've got the chicken. I'm a mess. I need to shower now. Start with a pepper. So this is the jalapeno. I see a lot of seeds. Looks like a jalapeno to me, if I can get it out. Woo! A little bit spicy. I'm still kind of sweating from the car ride. Noodles. There's nothing like fresh noodles. They bite back. They're kind of springy. When you bite them, you don't go right through. They really give a little bit before they break. The chicken's amazing. I think they have, regular green peppers as well as the jalapenos in here. Yeah. Woo! Spicy. Yummy. Delicious. I'm gonna try the beef, Mongolian beef. I'm expecting this to be tender and delicious. This is like very sweet, very savory. Really, really delicious. Regular green peppers. The noodles are so good. It's just, there's no comparison. Hand-pulled noodles are the best. I've got my t-shirt. I'm sure my face is all dirty. I feel like such a slacker for never going here before, but I'm gonna take my mom back to Noodle Man as soon as I can. This is friggin' delicious. We're talking high quality, authentic Chinese food in Chesapeake, Virginia. And I feel terrible because they're so nice. I'm going back soon. I might go back next week. Take my mom. I think she's probably gonna prefer the jalapeno chicken. This is one of the best Mongolian beefs I've ever had. And the noodles in particular are just delectable. I mean, it's so sweet, so savory compared to the spicy noodles on this side. I've complimented the flavors. I've got my t-shirt. But once again, this is another small business that is a must-have in Chesapeake. If you like Chinese food, go to Noodle Man. You can take my word for it. I'm gonna eat a lot more of this, and I'll catch you guys on the flip-flop. This has been One Man Food Reviews. Thank you so much.